Today we have our drawing partner Ashmira.
Hello.
Hello Ashmira. Today we will learn how to draw a simple dog.
Okay.
To draw a dog we will start from the head. At first draw a curved line here.
Okay.
And make the face shape like this. At first left side and then right side.
Okay. Done.
Now we will draw the ears. First right ear and then left ear.
Done.
Now draw a vertical line like this. And like this. Another two little lines here. Okay, and make this the front leg of the dog.
Okay.
Okay, now we'll draw the back leg. And this one. Left one and right one. Here I'm making the lower part. And draw the tail in right side in this way.
Okay. Done.
Now we will draw the nose of the dog. Good job. Now draw the mouth. Let's make two little circle here to draw the eyes. Here. Now make another two circle inside of this. Okay. Add a small white circle for a cute sparkle here. And make the rest part black. In the nose, we will keep the upper side white and making black the rest part. It will make a shiny nose of the dog. And that's it. As the simple dog is ready. Thanks for drawing with us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.